Alright guys, what's up? Making an updated kick and ban command tutorial for Discord Boss Studio since the other one's now out of date with the new variable system. So once you have DBS and you've set up a bot, come to the commands page. That's where I am now, commands. I've created a new command called kick, and then I'll just be showing you how to make kick command. So the first thing we need to do is get a response, and we want a get mention user response type that's under variable category. I'll just call this get user to kick, and we're going to do exactly that. So I'll connect that to the command. Inside this node, I'll just call the variable kick user, and temporary is fine. And then after that, we want another variable type response, but this time store value in variable. In this one, we're going to be capturing the reason for the kick. So connect that. We want text. Temporary is also fine. We'll use parameter 0, and that means basically everything after the command is going to be taken into this variable. So we'll just call this kick reason. We can save that. Now we can actually kick them now that we have found the user, stored that in a variable, found the reason, store that in a variable. Now we can come to user action and actually use a kick node. So we will chain that in, and this is the last one we need. So now we're just going to insert those two variables. So if I click insert, I can come and under the your variables section, these are the two that I've just created. So this is asking for a user ID, so I'll use the kick user variable, and then I'll come down and I'll insert ID, and then you can see that auto completes there. And then for the reason, we can insert variable. This time we're just going to take that kick reason string we made and insert that, and then save. And that's basically it. So again, just to walk through, kick command connected to this node, which is getting a mention user. So if we do kick at name and then reason, and then this gets the reason, and then this one kicks them. And the same thing could basically be done for a ban command. And you do a similar thing where you'd add a response to get the user who's mentioned, reason, if you want to do that. This is optional. And then after that, you would chain in just a ban user node where this kick node is. But for the time being, I'm just going to show you kick because they're literally the same thing, just for time's sake. So I'll start the bot, and then I can pop over to Discord. I'm just going to kick the other bot that's in the server. So the notation here is prefix kick, and then we're adding, we're mentioning the user to kick and then giving a reason. And if we send that, okay, this person has a role that's higher than the bot, so that's actually a good thing to note. You're not going to be able to kick someone if they have a higher role than the bot does. So you can try that again. This time you can see he got kicked. And then if we go to server settings, come to the audit log, we can see the reason is here, he was being bad. And then also parameter 0 takes everything after the command, so it's going to take the person who is mentioned as well. That's kind of just a side effect, but it's actually not a bad thing, because then you have their ID right there anyways, and you can also see the reason. Yeah, so that's it for this one.